Windows 10 comes with Microsoft Edge as the default browser, whereas Google Chrome is the best default browser to use with Blackboard. To make Google Chrome the default browser, and also to pin it to the taskbar and clean up this taskbar to get rid of things that you don't need, click on Start, and then scroll down to the G for Google, and click on Google Chrome. You may see a set as default. If you do, you can click on it and you get to the place where we're going to get to in a minute. But in case you don't see that set as default, click on the triple dots up in the upper right hand and go down to Settings. And then scroll down a little bit to the default browser and click on Make Default. That's another way to get to the same place. Then you'll see that the web browser, the current default browser, is Microsoft Edge. But if you click on it, you'll see that you can choose another one. I'm going to choose Chrome. When you do, you'll be asked to decide for sure, and I'm going to go Switch anyways. And then when you click it, that is now the default browser. And then to add it to the taskbar, if you right-click on it and choose Pin to Taskbar, that'll put it there. I'm going to get rid of other things that I don't need in the taskbar, like this non-Mount Royal email. I'm going to unpin that. I'm going to unpin the store. I'm also going to unpin Edge. And those are the things that I'm going to keep in my taskbar.